How to find a vacuum cleaner for your home. I can offer some general tips on what to consider when looking for a vacuum cleaner. Type of vacuum cleaner. There are different types of vacuum cleaners, such as upright, canister, stick, and robotic. Consider your preferences and the type of cleaning you'll be doing. Surface compatibility. Ensure that the vacuum cleaner is suitable for the types of surfaces in your home, such as carpets, hardwood floors, tiles, etc. Suction power. Look for a vacuum cleaner with strong suction power to effectively pick up dirt and debris. Filtration system. A good filtration system is important, especially if you have allergies. HEPA filters are known for their effective allergen removal. Bagged versus bagless. Decide whether you prefer a vacuum cleaner with a dust bag or a bagless model. Bagless models can save on ongoing costs, but they require regular filter cleaning. Attachments and accessories. Consider the attachments and accessories that come with the vacuum cleaner, such as crevice tools, upholstery brushes, and pet hair tools. Brand and reviews. Research reputable brands and read reviews from other users to get an idea of the vacuum cleaner's performance and durability. Price and warranty. Set a budget and compare the features you are getting for the price. Also, check the warranty terms for added peace of mind. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information about the best vacuum cleaner options in India for 2023, I recommend checking out online retailers, consumer review websites, and technology forums that specialize in home appliances.